Bob Taylor here, and I'm in Guatemala, and frankly I'm just blown away at this Isabel agroforestry project. I really am. This is 4 decades of a family being dedicated to growing a real natural forest that had once been a forest and been completely denuded to make agricultural land, cattle. What they've done is they've been very sensitive and they've been smart. They've learned by mistakes and they've brought things in that want to live here, and they haven't forced things that don't want to live. I'm standing here by just a trial. This is, when you look down this, it's a corridor of mahogany trees, but this is what we call a trial. And so they watch these. Out in this forest all around here that you're seeing footage of is mahogany, rosewood, zebra wood. There are people in the world that are doing unbelievable work. This is the first stop of 25 days of seeing incredible things, and I'm really blown away. It gives me inspiration for the things that I'm doing. Why? Because when I see that you can do it, I know that I can do it. Fantastic. I can't wait to show you more.